So I just got this new stainless steel water holder dispenser. The reason I bought this was because I just installed a reverse osmosis system. I've been buying the big jugs. Looks like this is the lid of plastic like water bottles and kept those in my fridge, but I'm really trying to get away from plastic. And I needed something that would fit on a fridge shelf. So based on the measurements of this on Amazon, I should be able to fit this into my fridge. So let's see, what else do we have in here? I just thought I would show you guys what we got here and then try filling it up, set it in the fridge, and see what this looks like. All right, so this must be the spigot. Now, this is really like heavy duty. I'm really happy about that. Got this that turns on and off. And then this bolt. So let's see what it's like to install this. Oops. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm just really trying to get away from plastic because of microplastics. And so I'm really excited to have the reverse osmosis system, but it's not going to keep my water cold, though, for those times when I need some cold water. So let's see, this looks like that probably goes on each side. These feel kind of like silicone, like they bend. It's not like a hard plastic or anything. I'm guessing these go on each side. Let me slide this on. You have to work a little bit harder to get the silicone part on. Let me actually put this other one down so I can really pull on that a little bit. I didn't read the directions, but I'm guessing this is what you do. Creates like a seal. And so we'll stick that there. And then on the other side, we need to do the same thing. Let's see here. Sorry, just getting situated. Yeah, just pressing that on the inside. Let's see there. And then we'll go ahead and put the bolt back on. The bolt does screw on pretty easily, but I feel like I need to get this a little bit tighter to really form a good seal so water doesn't leak out of that. Let's see what we're looking at here. Might be able to get that a little tighter. Going to use my right hand this time, so that's a little bit stronger. Okay, I feel like we've got a pretty good seal on that. Now the lid, we've got two parts to this here. This is so that if you want to put one of those big, like large plastic jugs on top that you turn upside down, that can actually function for that. I am going to be keeping the actual lid on top like that. It's not like super secure from the standpoint of like if you turn it upside down, it's going to fall off. I think it's just more to keep any like debris or anything out of that. So, okay, let's put some water in it and see how this works. This is my new reverse osmosis spigot. I like how large this is. I didn't want to have to constantly refill the one that was in the fridge. And so having something this big is going to be really, really helpful and short enough to fit on one of my refrigerator shelves. So I'll show you that in a second. Okay, we've got that coming out the spigot because I have the spigot turned on. I probably need to turn that off. Okay, that's enough for now, just so we can kind of test it because it's past the spigot line. And I don't see any leaking there, which is nice. So it seems like I have that screwed on tight enough. Now let's take a look at my fridge here. I am going to put this here on this shelf. We're going to see how that fits. It's just kind of a normal middle shelf in my fridge. And let's carry this over. And right here. And that fits perfectly. Wow, this is really great. I'm super excited about this. Yeah, gonna love it. Hope this was helpful for you.